fraction.
Tell me like a Hellcat.
I pozdrav ljudi, došli novi klip. Danas radim ljudi moji, try not to cringe, znači nešto onako ti je Ma što je uba? Ljudi, danas radimo try not to cringe, znači to u situaciji znaš ono osjeća neka je, znači ti gledaš kod neko se prospe i ti onda cringe nešto, oj tu ne, kaj šta je cringe, pa to je nešto ono kao cringe, možeš opet to ono ma hajba na video, hajde. Try not to cringe, enter on a space bro.
Oi, ik ben Maarten.
Aj, što volim niz kamiona. Moram još ne mogu sam pogledati. Pa se ovo.
Oi, ik ben Maarten.
Nou, dankjewel Maarten.
Dank u wel.
Vidi. Šta je ovo? Dojde ovo. Dojde ovo, Juna. Ne. No. Ljudi, čovjek je pitao, mogu te poljubiti.
Can I kiss you?
Can I kiss you? Ovo je govorila sure. Slobodno znači, ne sad ovo. Jebote, pu, kante, jupula, masla. Can I kiss you? Kako čovjek uzeo, ovo on ne zna glavu, kako? Čekaj, ne mogu na ome pogaziti, ovo nije glavu. Ovako ljudi, ovo je, ovako on je uzeo. Ne znam, vidio se, ovako on je uzeo. Uš, jebem ti, mene sram, jesi spatarim. Ženska, to je sve. Jebim ga.
That was awful. We started.
Ovo je PewDiePie, čekaj, ovo sam negdje gledao. Ovako sam tako pozdrav.
That was awful. We started to. It turned into a high five and it just fell apart. It was. I never want to do that again.
Latinos here in this country that do.
Iđe Boga ljudi, evo iđe to.
It was. I never want to do that again.
Latinos here in this country that do agree.
Ja ništa ne ljudi, ne razumijem, oni čekeje nešto, jebe mi mama. Neki je toilet, neki Trump, nešto čisti neko vice.
Denim, haircut, backpacks, come get your backpack.
Boots and pants.
New shoes, get yourself an outfit. Denim,
Boots and pants.
haircut, new shoes. So get yourself off to school with these tips.
Ljudi.
Haircut, backpacks, come get your backpack.
Boots and pants.
New shoes, get yourself an outfit. Denim,
Boots and pants.
haircut, new shoes. So get yourself off to school with these tips.
Ljudi, tako mi Allah, znači mene je sram. Tako, evo, ja se ne ježio, znači koliko me sram.
I was almost going to call you Lori. How could I miss? Oh, it's very easy. You're both very pretty. You have green eyes. Are they? They're not blue. Now, don't tell me that. Look at me a little closer. They're green. It's not fooled you.
Ovo je pedofil ba, jebe mu ba.
I fooled you.
Pedofil jebe mu sve.
You look like a young lady who likes to give lots of hugs and kisses out, do you? Hey? Hey?
Ono kaže, na trili, tuža, ono kao ne da ga poljubiti, vjerao ne bolud. O jebem ti, ba internet, ovo nije normalno ništa
Can I have a
ovo.
hug and a kiss? I can't have one? Even if I say and whisper in your ear that Allison, you're gonna win this.
Jebo mater, ovaj će ju jebati, jeb. Šta mi je? Ma ja,
No.
jebat će ovaj.
I still can't have a hug and a kiss? Well, I guess you can't win the show then. If I don't get a hug and a kiss. Yeah, you hear that? Yeah.
Gdje ti old man, ovo je neko rekao. Neka jebo mamu moje.
That's a good answer. Oh, you.
Jebo se mater, ovaj lik, šta je ovo ljudi? Ovo neka emisija, ovo su normalne.
No kisses? Are you shy?
A bit.
Can I have a little kiss, please? Oh, kiss me off the top of the sheet.
O, šta je ovo, jebote. Jebote. Juuu. Šta je ovo? Ovo jebe.
What we're doing is
Oh, yeah.
John would like me to ask you whether he could make out with you.
Oh, that's a bit different to a kiss.
Šta je? Nisam razumio, nisam, ima na ljudi engleski.
What we're doing is John would like me to ask you whether he could make out with you.
Nešto, mate.
That's a bit different to a kiss.
Nešto pitao ovu babu, kao ova rekao da ovaj pitao nju nešto.
All right, let's get it over with.
Ne. Neću ga.
No, stop. No, really. No, really. No.
Šta je ovo, jebe, ko da gledam? Je moguće da on nešto ljudio? Je moguće?
No, stop. No, really.
Po majku!
No, really.
Po majku, really?
No.
You've got a problem with it.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. No, I think maybe just a smaller kiss.
Okay, that's a smaller kiss.
I'm afraid
Evo bi toga.
skier more.
Jebaš baba, majku jebo.
Maybe we should get a bit closer together. Oh no! Could you just shut up? Okay.
Neće.
I'm not looking.
I'm going to say distracted by this husky.
Okay. Do you want to sit on this side?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Čujem smokčanje, ne mogu. Gasi ga, jebem ti djecu, neću više ni gledat ovo. Šta mu je Boga mazo? Svi ga gledaju ljudi. Kako je? Aleluja. Kako uvijek pjeva, šta je? Ljudi, ako vam se vidio klip, mene već sve oznojilo, ona jebe babe, jebe sve živo, majku, jeboj svoju nenormalnu, znači jebe mu familiju, jebe mu. Ljudi, ako se vidio klip, ostavite like i pretplatite na kanal, a mi se vidimo do idućeg klipa. Tada, ljudi, velik pozdrav i uživajte, morate lajkati, šerati i subscribe-ati, to mora, jebe, hajde ljudi, uživajte.